Welcome to ABCGrok. Join Luno and Tria on magical ABC adventures filled with learning, laughter, and love. We remember our friend Diro through every smile, every letter, and colorful fun and magical discoveries.
Welcome to ABC Time Travel Lab with Luno and Tria. Let's explore history and the future from A to Z.
A is for ancient times. Long ago, people built amazing wonders.
Wow, Tria, look at the pyramid. Incredible, Luno. Imagine building them. So cool. B is for Bronze Age. People use bronze to make tools. Let's explore the village. Wow, look at these tools, so shiny and strong. C is for clock. A clock helps us measure time.
D is for dinosaur era. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago.
Wow, Tria, look at all the dinosaurs. We're safe in the time shield. This is the best adventure.
E is for Egypt. Ancient Egypt built giant pyramids.
Wow, look at the pyramids glow. It's amazing. Ancient Egypt was incredible.
E.
F is for future city. The future may have amazing technology.
G is for gears. Gears help machines move. Wow, Luno, look at these big gears. They are spinning so fast. They make the time machine work. H is for history book. Books tell stories from the past. Wow, look at the knights and the dragon. This book is magic. I is for invention. Inventions change the world. J is for Jurassic. Jurassic is a time of dinosaurs. Wow, look at all the dinosaurs. This place is amazing, Luno. Let's watch them from here. Yes, it's safer this way.
K is for kingdom. Kingdoms had kings and queens.
Wow, look at this kingdom. Yeah, it's so big. Let's go explore. Yay, to the castle. L is for laboratory. This is our time travel lab. Okay, Tria, let's activate the portal. Right, turning the dial. Look, the rings are spinning. It's working. Great job, Luno.
M is for medieval times. Castles and knights lived then. O is for old map. Maps guide explorers.
Look, Tria, the map is glowing. And there's the X for treasure. Let's follow the path. Yes, adventure time. P is for portal. Portals take us through time.
Q is for quartz clock.
Quartz helps clocks keep time. Wow, look at that. It's so shiny and bright. Quartz makes it work. Cool. Let's watch. R is for Roman era. Romans built strong roads and buildings. S is for space age. Humans explore space. Wow, Tria, look at Earth. It's amazing. We're in the space age. One day we'll go further. Yeah, to the star. T is for time machine. It helps us travel through time.
U is for universe. The universe is full of stars and planets.
V is for Viking era. Wow, a Viking village. Look at that Viking ship.
Vikings sailed across oceans.
Let's go see it. W is for World Museum. Yes, Luna, this is a museum for history. Wow, cool. Museums keep it all safe. Exactly. Let's keep looking.
X is for X century. Centuries mark long periods of time.
Y is for yesterday. Yesterday is the day before today.
Z is for zero gravity. In space, things can float. Thanks for traveling through time with Luno and Tria. Subscribe, like, and share for more ABC adventures. Thanks for traveling through time with Luno and Tria. Subscribe, like, and share for more ABC adventures. Learning your ABCs with Luno and Tria. Every letter is a new adventure filled with love and happy memories. Subscribe, like, and share to keep the ABC adventures going. See you in the next magical letter journey.